Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something really exciting to unbox. The Iris Ceramic Reed Diffuser in Apple Cinnamon fragrance. If you're looking to transform your space with a soothing, sweet aroma, then stick around. I can already catch a whiff of the delicious fragrance even before opening the box. Let's take a closer look at the packaging. The external packaging is quite lovely and super gift friendly. You can get your own Iris Reed diffuser on Amazon for about 405 rupees. It's made right here in Karnataka, Mysuru, so you're also supporting local craftsmanship. Alright, let's dive in. First up, we have the apple cinnamon oil bottle. Next, we have the reed sticks neatly tucked away in the ceramic pot. Here's a closer look at what's inside the box. So we have three main components. Let's take a closer look at the reed sticks. They are designed to be highly porous, which means they're excellent at soaking up the oil and diffusing the fragrance evenly throughout the room. Next, the ceramic pot. Isn't it just stunning? It's not only functional but also adds a chic touch to your decor. This 60 ml bottle is packed with a delightful mix of fruity apple and warm cinnamon scents. Here's how you set it up. Pour the apple cinnamon oil into the ceramic pot. Then place the reed sticks inside. For best results, after a few hours, flip the reeds to help the fragrance diffuse more effectively. This simple step can make a huge difference in how the scent spreads throughout the room. Wow, the aroma has instantly filled the room. If you're using this in a smaller room, you might want to use fewer reeds to avoid an overwhelming scent. In a larger space, using all the reeds work great for a more pronounced fragrance. And the best part, there is no fire, no ash and zero maintenance required. Just place it and enjoy. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing.